many big corns. Ready, buddy? Meow wow! Let's harvest! Beep beep.
Teamwork makes it faster.
Look, Popo. This corn is bigger than my tummy. Beep.
Good job.
That's not a corn sound. Someone needs help. Hold on, we're coming.
Wait for us.
Help me! You're safe. We're here. Don't move. We'll get you out.
Too heavy.
We need a machine. Stay here. I'll bring help. We won't leave you. I must save him. Let's rescue a friend. Honk.
Faster, Popo.
Hold tight, buddy.
We got you.
We got you. Thank you. Just a little more. You can do it. Almost there, little one. Let me help you harvest. Yes. Harvesting with friends is better. Team Super Harvest. This one is huge. Let's roast together. Oops, windy belly. Good food, good friends. And good teamwork. And good teamwork. Let's go to work.
Good morning, my friends. Time for breakfast? Moo. Come on, girls. Slowly, slowly. Moo. Moo.
Perfect. Ready to go.
Hold tight, my friends. We're going to the field.
Let's go, my friends. Welcome home, girls. Perfect morning milk. Moo. Nice and fresh. Oh, perfect for baby.
There you go, little one.
Let's go for a ride!
Hey, buddy. Good morning. Snort.
There you go, my little buddy.
What a beautiful day.
Good morning, Snowy.
B-E-E.
This is good milk for you, little one.
Hey, little buddy. Oink, oink.
Good piggy, drink it all.
Hey, buddy. Missed me? Woof.
Good boy, drink slowly. I got it! A new idea! Time to work! Let's make the farm even prettier! Perfect! The plants will love this! Grow strong and beautiful, my little seeds.
Wow, you're growing so fast.
Yes, my corn is ready. I did it, my first harvest.
Another beautiful day on the farm.
I did it all by myself. Almost there. The corn's safe and sound.
Enjoy your breakfast, my friends. Beautiful feathers deserve a good breakfast.
Here you go, buddy. Don't be shy. Hey, buddy. Want some corn?
Good boy, take your time.
Look at these two helpers. Popo and Golden Dog make the best cleaning team ever. Bubbles everywhere. Popo and Golden Dog are having so much fun. Playing together makes every day brighter. Oh no, P.O.P. The bubble touched Golden Dog's nose. Laughing together makes playtime even better. Oh, who is that? It's a little crocodile. And he's crying. When a friend feels sad, we show kindness. See how Popo and Golden Dog comfort their chubby crocodile friend.
My pond! Sniff! It's drying up. I have nowhere to swim or cool off. Oh no! The crocodile's home.
The ground is all cracked. No water at all.
Everything looks thirsty.
Sniff. This used to be my swimming spot.
I got it. If we bring water back, the land will be happy again.
Bring back water? But how?
Really? My pond can smile again?
Let's dig, McQueen. We're making a new super pond.
Vroom, vroom, scoop incoming.
Wow, our new pond shape is almost done. It looks amazing. Okay, team, water ON. Let's fill this pond. Hold tight. This hose is super strong. Water! My pond is coming back.
Warning! Splash! My pond is back! Cannonball!
Whoa, that splash was huge.
I think I swallowed a splash! Woohoo! Best ride ever!
Faster, faster. Captain Croco, full speed.
Hold on tight! Croco boat coming through.
Let's learn together. Fishing time!
Yay!
Teamwork starts with effort.
I can do it! Maybe! See? Practice makes us better. I'm getting good at this.
Hard work feels good because we do it together.
Let's go home safely. Follow me. Riding is fun.
And good exercise.
Stay calm. I'm here. I'll be okay, right?
Yes, you're safe now. Inside, time matters.
Hello there! What can I get for you today?
Clean food makes a healthy meal.
You cooked for me, thank you.
Sharing is love.
I will get better soon.
We are stronger together. Pick gently. Good food comes from caring hands. Look, Popo! Huge tomato!
Popo, this bike is so bouncy. Hold tight. Tomatoes are dancing too.
Hello? Anyone in there?
Who is at my cave?
Sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you.
Catch this, Mr. Bear.
Whoa! That was unexpected.
It was just a joke. Don't catch me.
Come back here. You made a mess on my face.
Okay. I'm sorry. Put me down gently.
You are one naughty little cat.
Being playful is fine, but think before you act.
I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to hurt you. Where did he go? I hope he is safe.
Clean food keeps us healthy. We must take good care of what we eat.
Cooking is love. When we cook with care, everyone feels warm. Good food is meant to be shared. Filling jars helps us save and give.
Here you go, Popo. Fresh honey from this morning.
Thank you. Being polite makes every day sweeter.
Sharing makes friends, even in tough moments.
Thank you.
This means a lot.
Go on. Your friend was brave to come for you.
Popo, I knew you'd come.
Friends always find each other. Always.
Let's harvest the rice. I love farm work. So much rice, Popo. Let's harvest all of it. We're getting deeper. Look at all the rice. So cool. Tie it like this, nice and tight. Nice and tight. Mine is slipping. Lift together. 1, 2, up. It's so heavy. All right, Piglet. Last one. We can do it. I'm helping, Popo. Wow, Piglet. The tractor is full of rice.
We worked so hard, Popo.
Popo, look! The rice fields look so big.
Yes, Piglet. We're doing great.
Nice and flat, so the rice dries well. I'm making pretty lines, Popo. Look, Popo. It's getting round. It smells so good, Popo.
Just a little more and it's ready.
Look, Popo. They're so clean. They're so clean.
Great job. Clean veggies make a great meal.
Steady, just like this.
You're amazing, Popo.
Hear that? Perfect.
perfect sizzle.
It smells so yummy, Popo.
Look, Popo, all shiny.
Perfect. Keep going. Fluffy and perfect.
I made apples to go with it.
This is so yummy, Popo.
I'm happy you like it. I'm happy you like it.
Popo, look, I'm helping.
Great job.
Let's fill the bag together. Oh no! Are you okay, little friend? Don't worry, Popo will bring help. Come on, McQueen, you can do it! Uh-oh, smoke. That's not good. The tractor can't do it!
Wait here, little buddy. I'll find your mama.
Yes, you're super strong.
We did it. Teamwork. Here you go. Yummy bananas for everyone. Wow. Good job, little helper.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Here we go. Follow me, little friends. I'm a strong little farmer.
Let's bring this home.
Uh-oh, the tractor turned sideways. We're really stuck now.
Stuck sideways, but I know what to try next.
Okay, let's try again. Come on, you can do it! Here you go, friends. Fresh hay for everyone.
Whoa! Everything is snow!
Let's clear this snow. Click and done.
Drive carefully on slippery roads.
Tools ready.
Wow, this tree is so special. Checking keeps everything safe.
Miss Tree, follow me.
Make space for new things to grow.
Shine bright, bright little star.
Make space for new things to grow.
Decorations make celebrations special.
Come on, everyone. Let's celebrate together.
Merry Christmas!
This is for you. Thank you for the yummy milk. Merry Christmas, buddy.
Sharing gifts shows love.
Come join us. Merry Christmas, everyone! Hold on, buddy. I'm pulling you out. Here we go.
Scrub, scrub. Clean and shiny, little buddy. All dry now. Soft and comfy, just like a fluffy cloud.
Here you go, buddy. Yummy corn for my brave little friend.
Drink slowly, little buddy. Fresh water helps you stay strong and happy. Wow, look at you. New shirt, new smile. When we take care of our friends, everyone feels happy.
Cheers, buddy. Eating together makes everything happier.
Wow! Did I find something fun under here? Grow strong, little banana tree. I believe in you. Drink well, little plant. You're doing great. Amazing. Plants grow so well when we take good care of them. Yummy! Growing your own food is the best.
Hello.
Rescue team, please come quickly. There's an accident.